Hi, I'm Navid Ansari, and in this video we're going to talk about Google achievements, how we can implement Google achievement in our game. So without any further ado, let's begin. For that, let's just create a new project of GameMaker language, call it whatever you want, and here just open the marketplace. And in marketplace, just search for achievement. I did upload it. It's just an extension and some object to make it easy for you. Click add to your account, select this. I have read and agreed to this. And after you did that, just go to GameMaker and here in my library, refresh it and download this achievement and import it to your project. What you need is this extension. Yo-Yo Games provide this for us, these objects, and we don't need this room because we create that. And we need this sprite as well for just showing. And now let's just close this. Go to our room, and first thing to do, we should add this OBJ achievement at the top. This OBJ achievement, let us see what it is. It's just getting player info and account info from the sign in of our game. So it's not much. If you want to know more about this, just watch my last video about the leaderboard. I did explain how you can get information from the player info and account info if you want. That's all you need to do. It's just signing in events and signing out events and getting player and account info of the player and show whatever in that you want. First thing to do is this sign in. So we should sign into our project, and in this sign in object we have this create that is just a text. We have this step that's saying sign in and sign out. If we are sign in, it says sign out, and if we are not sign in, we say sign in. We draw this text on the button. In draw event, we just draw that text in our button, and in left pressed we just say if we are sign in, if they click on this button, sign out with Google Play Service sign out. And if we are not sign in, just show sign in text over our button and try to sign in to the account, to the Google account. So we did talk about this at the last video, but I explain it one more time. If you watch my last video, just skip this section. In the revoke button, in this create event, we just set a text to draw it on the button. And in draw, we just draw that text in button, and in left press we revoke access to the player account. So again, if you want to know more about that, just watch my last video about leaderboards. First thing first, let's just add this sign in and sign out to our game. Let's just make it a little bigger like this and make our room a little bigger as well. This is for sign in. You see that I just drag and drop this object in here and stretch it. And here it's for revoking access. First thing first, you should know we have three types of achievement. The first achievement that is out there and everybody can see it, they know what they should do to unlock that achievement. Second achievement is hidden achievement. User at first can't see that achievement and don't know how to unlock that achievement. The next one is incremental achievement. Incremental achievement is like that if you play 3 level, you get that achievement. So the player should play 3 level to unlock that achievement. So let's get into them. So first thing first, you should go to your Google Play console and config the Play Game services. I did talk about this in my last video. If you search for leaderboards in my channel, you can see it. And because it takes like 10 minutes, I think, to config this, I don't want to show it again. Just watch my last video. You can see how you can config the Play Game services in your Google Play console. What is important is this project ID first. You should copy it and go to GameMaker and here to game option. And in Android, just go to social and paste it in this Google Service ID and hit OK. Now go back to your Google Play console and in here go down in your monetization setup. And in this monetization setup, there is a license in here. It's just a string in here that you can click in this button and copy it. And in GameMaker, you should go to Android, you should go to packaging and paste it in here and hit OK. The configuring of this Google Play services is so much important. If you don't configure it right, it won't work. So next thing that you should remember, the game that you upload for close testing, the domain should be the same domain and the same version that you set in your GameMaker. So in this case, it is com.mobco.tankbattle and it is the version 1.0.5. So let's just put it there. Just go to game option again, go to Android, and in here, my version is 1.0.5, and in here for package domain, mine is com.mobco.tank battle. So, and after that just hit OK. And if you configure Google Play Console right, you can go to achievements in Google Play Game Services, and in here you can see that I create some achievement here, but I will create some more to show you. Just click on create achievement. First type of achievement, if you remember, is unlock achievement. So let's just call it unlock achievements. And I want to copy and paste it in here, and I want to say this is an unlock achievement. You see in here it says field required for testing. If it has a star, you should write something in it, but I must say that you should fill everything in here. If you don't fill this description, it won't be able to be published. So fill everything. You need to add an icon in here. So let's just add one. So I add this icon. If you check this, this will be an incremental achievement. We did talk about that, and I will show you in a few minutes how it is. Initial state, if it should be revealed or if it should be hidden. At the first, because I want to show you the first type of achievement, that is revealed achievement. I don't want to make it hidden, so I leave it as it is. The point at default is 5, but you can change it. And the list order, where do you want to put it in achievement list, you can set it in here on list order. And after that, you can click in here to save as draft. And after you did that, just go back to achievements and review and click on review and publish it. Publish changes, and again go back to achievement in here, and you can see that our unlock achievement is here. Just click on it, and after you click on it, there will be an ID in here. You should copy this, right click, copy it, and go to GameMaker. So now that we have that ID, just open this unlock button in here. We did talk about that. In left pressed, just click on left pressed event in here, and it says if Google Play service is signed in. If you are signed in, just unlock this achievement. Of course, you shouldn't put it on the button, but it's for testing, so I put it in here. The ID should be here, and that's how easy you can unlock a achievement. So maybe you want to add this 2 line of code at the end of a level, so when they finish their first level, they get the achievement of first level. But in this case, I want to just say when they click on this button, this achievement will be unlocked for them. So now that we add it in here, let's just add this button to our room, make it bigger. So now that we added in here, we should run it on our phone or in our emulator. If you don't know how you can create an emulator and run it and run your game on your emulator, just watch my video about emulators. You know how to do that. First thing to do, we should go to game option, go to Android, and select all the architecture here. Click OK after that, OK in here as well, and go to targets, select Android, and your emulator or phone will be here. If it's not here, just click on this device editor and click on detect devices and click on here to test the connection. And if the connection is okay, you can run your game on that phone or emulator. So after that, we can click on this run or hit F5 on the keyboard. Now that our game is running, you see that it gets signed in by default and show the name of the player. I signed in before, so let's just hit sign out, and if we click on sign in again, it will sign into our account. It will say what account you want to sign in with, and it will be signed in, and it will show the name of the player. If you don't know how we can get the name or player ID or player first name or last name, you can see my last video about this and how to get account info and player info from that. Now that we are signed in, we can unlock that achievement. If we click in here, you see the achievement is unlocked. The next step, I want to show you how you can see what achievement you unlocked. So now let's just talk about the showing the achievement. In here we have create in our achievement show, and it's just a text that will be drawn on our button. And in draw, we just draw it on the button, and in left press we say if we are signed in, just we say Google Play Service achievements show. So whenever you write this 2 line of code, it will show the player his or her achievements. So let's just add that to our room. And now let's just run it. It doesn't need any ID because it shows all the achievements that player achieve. It gets signed in by default, so the achievement is unlocked from before, and when we click on this show button, all the achievement will be here. You see, I have a hidden achievement from before. I did a lot of testing with this, but this unlock achievement that we have here, we created together. This is an unlock achievement, and the user can see that. So with that, we can close it. Next thing, we should go for reveal achievement. So at the first, it is hidden, and when you say reveal, it will reveal to user. So let's just go to our Google Play Console, go to achievements, and here click on create achievement. The name, I want to say hidden achievement. Just copy it and paste it here. This is a hidden achievement. We should select a icon for that, select an icon, and here instead of revealed, we should say hidden achievement. And let's just save it as draft and go back to achievement and publish it in here. Publish changes. And now if we set show, it will show all the achievement, but it won't show over hidden achievement unless we say reveal hidden achievement. So how we can do that? Let's just open this button in here. There is a create that is saying this is for revealing an achievement. It's just setting the text and draw that text in our button. And in left press, we say if we are signed in, just reveal that achievement to the user, but not unlock it, just reveal it. For that, we should go to achievement again. And for our hidden achievement, just click on it. We need the ID for that. And double click in here and copy this ID in here with Ctrl+C and paste it in here. So with that, we will reveal it. So you know that when we hit show, it won't show as hidden on or locked achievement. But if we say reveal that achievement, it will be revealed. So let's just go here, go to our room and add that reveal achievement in here. And now let's run it. Again, if we click on show, that achievement that we create together that is hidden won't be shown in here. But if we click on this achievement reveal, and whenever you say reveal that achievement, it will be shown in achievement as locked achievement. So click on here, and if you go to show again, it will show that hidden achievement, but it is locked. But you can see it is locked, and they can see what they should do to unlock that achievement. For unlocking that achievement, you can just use this 2 line of code. If we are signed in, just unlock that achievement with this line of code. That's how easy you can do that. So the next type of achievement that I want to talk about is incremental achievement. So if we click on this button in here, in create, we just set in a text. In draw, we just draw on that text on that button. And in left press, we just say if we are signed in, just add 1 step to our achievement. I will explain it more, of course, in a few seconds. Just go to your Google Play Console and in here, create an achievement. I want to call it incremental. Just remember that name because we want to unlock it. And I want to say this is a incremental achievement. So we need an icon as well. And you should check this checkbox in here, and it says how many steps it needs to be unlocked. So I want to say 4, but it can be between 2 and 10,000. We need 4 steps to unlock this achievement. And I want to set it at hidden. Okay, you can set it as revealed or hidden, whatever you want, and save it as draft and publish it. And go to achievement after that, review and publish it and publish change. Go back to achievement. You remember that we create this incremental in here and we need the ID. You remember that is hidden. So if we go to our incremental, we should first reveal it. And after that, we can add a step to it. So I can say Google Play Service achievement review, and in here, just put that ID in here. It will reveal it to users. And after that, I want to, with this line of code, we say increment this achievement by 1 step. Each time we click on that button, 1 step, we go further to unlock that achievement. So now that everything is set up, we can add that button to our room. So let's just add it here. And now let's run it. So if we click on show, if you are not signed in, just click on this sign in here and you get signed in. So now that our app is running, if we hit show in here, our incremental is not here. Okay, so because it is hidden. So if we click on this increment and go to show, it will be revealed and it will show us how many steps we passed. So one step we go further, so there are 4 steps to unlock this achievement. One step we passed, so 25%. Of course, you shouldn't call reveal every time that you wanna increment an incremental achievement. There is no problem with that. So again, if you click on it and go to show, because we incremented by 1 step, it will be 50%. Again, click on it, go to show, and you can see we are at the 75%. And after that, if we click on it one more time, that achievement will be unlocked. And if we again go to show, you can see that incremental is unlocked in unlocked section. So that's how easy you can have Google achievement in your GameMaker game. So it's easy, it's free, why not use it? It motivates player to play more of your game and watch more ads and make more money for you. So you should add that to your game. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe button, or bell button if you like. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.